Hey guys, this is my review on the paper-like tablet reMarkable 2 that I have been using for the last 3 months and really helped me organize better and keep all my notes and in a very tidy way. Uh, this is the full version with the black leather cover and the Marker Plus. This tablet really helped me get rid of the diaries, agendas, and all the notes I had everywhere. reMarkable 2 is also very thin and lightweight. It has only 4.7 millimeters. And also with the leather casing and the Marker Plus is still very, very lightweight. Being a paper-like and ink tablet, I don't have the noise of all the apps and notifications, so I can take my notes in silence. Easy to manage your notebooks into folders, also your books, your PDFs here. You can have your PDFs and your books so you can easily read from it. Also, I can have different type of templates for all my notebooks, from checklists to lines and calendars and so on. Another cool feature of it is the fact that it will help you convert your notes to text. And you can also send it by email if you want. Very, very easy. It syncs in the cloud all your notes, and with the Connect app that I received for 12 months, it's very nice to access all my notes from different devices. The battery lasts for weeks, even though I am a heavy user of reMarkable 2. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this helped.